Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Don't sit around and mope and worry about what's going on in the world. Don't sit around and worry about anything at all. Everything is going to be okay. Everything's going to be okay. Gloom and doom and oh me, oh my, it's going to come back, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. Don't do that. Let me tell you why. If you sit around and think nothing but negative, it's just going to tear you down. You've got to keep yourself busy. If you have a little project in your home, your apartment, your condo, or whatever you have, do it. If there's a drawer that's needed to be cleaned out in a long time, put those earplugs in if you have them, or watch something on YouTube and clean out that drawer. Just keep busy as you possibly can. I tell you, it really, you can't worry about that none of us have anything in control over, and of course I tell you that all the time, but you have to keep yourself busy. What's that saying about keeping busy? I can't remember the saying. But I'm not going to worry about it, right? But do the best you can with what we've got or what we're going through right now. Just be the best we can. If you have a yard, go out and walk in your yard. Wave at a neighbor if you see them. Just, keep your mind very, very busy. If you've got a book that you've been wanting to read for a long time, or if you wanted to just that little task, something to keep you busy, a craft, something you think about. I'm going to rearrange this room, I'm going to move this chair here and move around and just straighten up that coffee table, anything. Just try to keep yourself as busy as possible. That's what I do. I don't lay in bed and I worry and I cry and be upset. Not going to do a bit of good. If you got children, do something with them. Enjoy them. There's time. Take time to do things with them. If you need to exercise for a long time, go out for that walk. Go out for that jog. But be safe. Stay 6 feet away from everybody. You know how to do that. You wear that mask if you have a mask. You wear those gloves if you have those gloves if you're out and about. This will be going on our 4th week this week that we have been here. And other than we go to the drugstore, a drive-through, and I always wear gloves when I get my package or when I get my prescription through the drive-through. I go pick up the groceries, and as I've said in other videos, Publix has been great to have they have their mask on, they have their gloves on, they put it in the back. And I'm having some deliveries too. So right now it's getting hard to get deliveries, so put those orders in as soon as possible if you're doing Publix. But that being said, I'm just trying to tell you, everything's going to be okay. Just don't let this time that you are not able to do different things, they took things for granted. Let us all be better from this. Let's all be kinder to people. Let's all not say negative things about people, think the good in people. The old saying is, and I've said it before and I'll say it again and again and again, if you can't say anything good, just don't say anything. It's got to make your heart feel good when you think of good things for people. Don't be jealous of people. Don't be putting people down. I have seen YouTube and people are making fun of people on YouTube. They'll say a comment which it would be so wrong to say, putting out the bad on that person that's doing that particular video. But if you want to watch positive, watch me. If you want to make kind things, watch me. If you don't want to be kind and you don't want to watch me, Yeah, you want to watch somebody else that's not so kind, probably. But watch positive, upbeat stuff. Enjoy. You're even on TV. Watch comedy. Watch something happy, happy, happy. Anyway, I've rambled enough. I just want to get on here and let you know that I'm right here for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up. And think positive. Everything's gonna be okay. So stick with me, and if you have a chance, just go on and Google positive, uplifting quotes, positive, uplifting videos, positive, uplifting movies, and you will feel a lot better, I promise. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow.